What is he about to do? What is Siddharth going to do? Mom? Mom, what Siddharth is going to do? Hey, Appa. Can somebody tell me clearly what Siddharth is going to do? Tosha,
Let me explain. I will explain it to you, Samresh. It would be better if a family member talks about it. Don't drag outsider in household matters. Siddharth decided that Siddharth and Mithai will go to Rajiv's house as a husband and wife. Why he decided this, why he's doing this, we do not know. And we do not even want to know.
has everyone in this house gone mad?
Why? What made you think that we are mad?
Siddharth himself doesn't consider this marriage at all. Then, how come he can take that girl as his wife and go to that house? And you all are supporting in this? Wow, amazing. Let me correct him. Siddharth, come down, we need to talk.
Brother, please don't stop him. Not at least for today, please. Let him go. Hey, why are you standing here like this? Please go and say something to your brother.
What will I say? Tell me. What will I explain to anybody? I myself can't even understand what is going on in this house. And in this critical situation, father is completely taking no stand. See, brother, we all, the entire family, need to understand one thing very, very clearly. Whether or not we accept it, in fact, even if Siddharth does not accept Mithai as his wife, it makes no difference no matter what. The truth is, they have taken vows in front of the holy flame and are legally married. Even the relatives will also like to see Mithai as Siddharth's wife. And you better mark my words. Sushmita will also want the same. If Siddharth and Mithai go as a couple to Sushmita's house, I'm sure she will be very happy. So please don't even try to stop Siddharth. The decision that he has taken is correct and I am with him. And I think he's doing his best to save Ratul and Nipa's marriage.
Sorry, uncle. This will stay as evidence against Sid. Later on, if Sid claims a divorce, then Mithai might protest.
Tosha, you're a guest here. We are really happy to have you as our guest. But do not think of breaking relationships, child. See, marriage is a matter of universal bond for eternity. In our times, we used to believe in it deeply. Even today, your grandpa and I still think the same. Therefore, as long as we are alive, no marriages will break in this house.
Careful.
Yes, give it to me.
Brother?
You give it to me.
Nanda, did you call in that house? Did you fix anything?
Quiet. Mom is very angry. Don't even talk about that house. I don't know what Sid has told her.
Nanda, I will not marry anybody else. Please explain this to mom. And I mean it.
What did you say? Listen, Ratul. I will never allow my son to talk like this. Don't think that you can do anything you want, okay? I had to break this relationship for an important reason. And if you can't understand that, I really can't do anything about that. All my life, I have known and accepted one thing. No good can ever happen by something that is wrong. Though Siddharth has married Mithai, he is not respecting her enough. Isn't it wrong?
Well, Mom, I really can't understand this. Why do you have to punish the innocent people for this? I mean, Siddharth is at fault. But why are Ratul and Nipa punished because of him?
Rajiv, Ratul, you know your mom's path is very unique. Sushmita, Tell everything to your son and your daughter-in-law Nanda. After a while, if Siddharth comes with mithai, then you won't have the time to explain anything.
Sid and Mithai? I don't understand anything.
I was really angry with Siddharth. In fact, not just Siddharth. I was angry with everybody in your family. After that, when I saw that Siddharth came running to this house, I understood that he really loves his younger sister. Otherwise, why would an egoistic person like him would come here?
Oh, my. What a clever plan by Sushmita, madam. Now I understand everything. Amazing, ma'am. Amazing.
This is why your brother is turning into a monkey staying with you.
Hey, what is happening? I don't understand. What is going on?
What, you
No,
still
I
don't
didn't.
get it?
Please tell me.
Sushmita, madam has set a trap.
What trap?
She told Siddharth that if he wants to come here, then he must bring mithai along with him. Do you understand? Naturally, what would Siddharth be doing? Obviously, he will bring mithai along with him. So, am I right?
Oh, stand still, Mithai. The pin will prick you. Mithai, don't move. They won't be able to drape it properly.
Oh, Aunt Opa, I'm feeling so nervous.
See, even we all are nervous. We don't even know what's going to happen over there.
Listen, Mithai, now we will put the jewelry on you. So stand still, okay?
Oh, no, I don't want any jewelry. I might lose them on the road then. I can't control my hands and feet. On top of that, I have to go in Mr. Bitterguard's car. Oh my lord, I'm already getting a panic attack.
Shri, even I am also very worried. Sushmita will understand in one glance that they are married, but they are not married. They are husband and wife, but they are not husband and wife.
What?
Yes, Shri, yes. What to do? Please tell me. Look at her. Just look at Mithai. See, by any angle, does she look like a wife? Standing with a hand on her hip. There, if she once says Mr. Bittergood, then that's it. Everything will be over. You know, Shri, I don't think this is the best plan. No.
Aunt, Sid is completely ready and will be here any minute. What? She's not even ready yet. Oh my.
Sunny, listen to me.
What happened?
Listen, I have an idea. She can see us and she can know how to behave with Siddharth over there. Correct? Understood? Now you're Mithai and I'm Siddharth. Mithai, watch us.
Me?
Correct?
I will play with Mithai. I'm still single.
Meaning? What daily soaps will you write? How will you write it? You see so many wives' characters performing and still can't play a role.
Oh, Aunt Opa, please explain me properly how to handle Mr. Bitterguard.
If you keep moving, how will I get you ready?
No, Nipa is right. Listen to me.
Yes.
Listen. Keep quiet
I'll be
and
quiet.
stand here. Don't move. Get her ready now. Hey, look at me. I am Siddharth and you are Mithai.
Yes.
Mithai, what is so funny?
Hey,
I admit, playing Siddharth's role is not easy.
Aunt Opa,
What?
let me play Mr. Bitterguard.
Hmm?
Mithai, have I not told you to keep quiet? And if you don't keep your mouth shut, then I will drag you back home. Brother,
Yes,
please tell this girl.
I am your grandpa. Let me pull your ear.
Okay, fine. In this situation, what Mithai has to do, I'll show that. Aunt, move aside. Listen. I'm saying, why are you scolding me for nothing? I have said anything wrong? Tell me. I'm just so quiet and said nothing. Now what will happen? What will happen? Seeing Mithai's shameful face, brother would get choked, and from
What?
choking, where is the water? Water. Yes,
Oh,
water.
okay, I'll bring it.
Disgusting.
Now you take the water to Sid and say, "Oh, what is happening?"
Hey, listen. Have I not told you you have no control over your hands and feet? You were just about to spill water on me. Just do not touch the water. I will take the water. Disgusting.
Oh my lord! Oh lord! Aunt Antopa, please save me! Oh lord, please help me! I don't think the Lord will save me today. Oh lord, please help me! Please help!
Siddharth, see, Sid, we are doing all this for only one reason. Rajiv's mother, Sushmita, considers you and Mithai as a normal couple. You know, right, how stubborn Sushmita is about marriage? I think by now you know. I don't want any mess to happen there and Nipa become the sufferer once again.
Make this girl understand that, please. You don't have to lecture me. I'm taking this girl just for a while. And I really hope that she talks with some sense over there. The pain she's feeling for Nipa, that will remain as it is if she won't behave properly over there. Nipa, are you done yet? Giving her training, playing my role? If you are done with everything, then can we please leave?
Oh lord, I should not make any mess. Please help me, oh lord. Please. What is the shoe that Sister Nipa make me wear? I can't even walk in this. I just hope I don't fall. Help, help, help. Oh Lord, please help. Ow, ah, ah. Sorry. Actually, I couldn't see. Something was there. I lost my balance.
Leave the shirt.
What?
I asked you to leave the shirt. Leave it right now.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. So sorry. I'm already making a mess before going there. What will happen when I get there? No. Mithai, you can't be so restless. No, Mithai, you can't be so restless.
Don't tell all this to me. Keep this in your mind.
I already have in mind. Sometimes so weird things happen that I don't...
That's it. Not a word more. Just get in the car.
What?
I asked you to get in the car. Can't you understand a simple thing?
I understand. What I was saying was I don't have a habit of traveling in this type of car. Will I even be able to balance myself? Can I just go there in my bicycle? Actually, my bicycle Munni is better. Most importantly, I don't even trust your driving skills at all. What if there occurs any accident, then what will happen?
You don't trust my driving skills. You ride that silly bicycle of yours very well. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes. Don't you remember once you hit me with this car and dropped all my sweets on the road?
Just because it's a road, that's why I'm not saying anything. Otherwise, I would have really done something so...
Oh my! Ah!
Just keep quiet and get in the
Yes.
car.
What?
Get in the car.
Okay. Okay.
Get in the car.
Okay.
Why are you opening the back door? Do I look like a driver to you?
Then where to sit?
You ask such silly questions. I don't know what circus I've fallen in.
Yes.
Come here. Sit.
Okay.
Pick it up.
Ooh. Mr. Bittergourd, that means really open the car door for Mithai. This is a miracle. What is happening, Lord? I think he's helping Mithai too much.
Seatbelt.
What? What?
I'm asking you to put your seatbelt.
What?
Why do you keep saying what? Put the seatbelt and put it in.
What belt?
Oh gosh. Belt, belt. Turn your head around and see behind you. Yeah, put that.
Where is it? There is no belt here.
I don't understand. Why am I trapped in all this? Can't take it anymore. Why are you so silly? Can't you put your own seatbelt? It's a simple thing. Not a word more.
Yes, Mom. Today, Sid took Mithai as his wife. No, I couldn't do anything. This cannot go on, Mom. You please come here and do something about it. I can't even talk about divorce in the house. 1 second, 1 second. Brother, please stop beside the car. Mom, I'll call you back later. Sid! Sid! I don't believe this. Has Siddharth gone mad? Sir, I'm not well. I'm taking a leave today. Apologies. Brother, take a U-turn.
How do people sit like this in one position? You have tied me up.
You got a proper lesson. I like it. Next time, if you can't control your hand and feet, then I'll bring you here and I'll tie you up like this. You just wait and watch. I think I took the right lane. Rajiv's house was somewhere here only. What's wrong with the GPS now? Damn. Let me get down and check.
Oh my lord, what is this? He tied me up in the car and left. What to do? Okay, fine. It's not easy to tie up Mithai, Mr. Bittergourd. I will manage a way to get out. How do you open this? Huh? Thank you, oh Lord, thank you. Now I just have to open the door. Yes.
Over there, that lane.
Yes, it's open now. Mithai will walk by herself. I would not get in the car again. No way.
What? Where are you going? What nonsense is this, Mithai?
No, it isn't possible to tie up Mithai. You are saying nonsense won't work. I have ride and roam around in bicycle balancing myself. I will go alone. Ouch! Ow! Oh no! I broke the heel.
Now, what are you planning to do? I mean, how will you walk and how will you go?
Okay, no problem if the heel broken, Mithai will walk barefoot.
Enough. I don't need any more drama. Do you get it?
Mm.
There's a shoe store there. Let's go.
Okay,
What is this?
how will I walk otherwise?
Doesn't matter. Don't walk barefoot. This is ridiculous, Mithai. Who told you to get down from the car? Is it very important to do drama everywhere? I mean, can't you digest without drama, tell me? I mean, does the food not get digest well? Just give it to me.
What?
Stop saying what in everything. You give that to me, I'll get a new one. I can't
Oh
believe
no,
I'm
he
doing
took the
this.
shoe. Oh Lord, this shouldn't have happened. What a shame.
How can I help you? Show me a flat sandal of this size.
Oh no,
Yes, give me a moment.
there's no need to buy a new shoe. We can repair this one. Uncle, don't you repair shoes?
What are you doing here? I asked you to stay there, right? I mean, how could you? You came here barefoot. Don't you have any sense?
But sir, why are you getting so stressed? I'll give a cloth to your wife and she can clean her feet.
What? What did you just call her?
Did I say anything wrong?
No, Uncle, it's fine. Absolutely
Yes,
fine.
please
Let's
come
go.
in. Come. Sit down. Take this. Clean your feet. Yes, keep your feet here. See this.
This is so beautiful. Can I take this?
How can somebody like a sandal like this one? Brother, please show me something simple, not so glittery, please. Something simple, yeah?
What? This was so. No, it's not good. Leave it.
Sir, have a look at this.
Ew.
This is good. We'll take this.
I don't understand how can a man like a shoe? Of course it is possible. It's okay. No problem.
So, sir, you'll buy both?
What?
Yeah, pack them.
No, not at all. No way. You are trying to sell us 2 shoes instead of 1. It is not so easy to fool Mithai. Mithai knows the tricks of business pretty well. You know what? Even I also used to sell 3 sweets instead of 2. So listen, we will only take 1 shoe, that is final. This is one. I will take this one. I will take this one, that's it.
Where do we do the payment?
Yes, please come.
How much?